Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is super special because it is my first ever sponsored video with none other than UNicehair. So here in the package they sent a bunch of goodies that all help with the process of getting cute. I have a travel friendly little hand mirror, some gold double hoops, a cute satin storage bag to keep your hair protected while you're not wearing it, a new wig cap, which you can never have too many of, an extra sack of even more things like an elastic band to help lay lace or just to hold down your edges. They also gave me a cute little mocha colored bonnet, also a little makeup brush for, you know, whatever needs blending, and lastly, a set of strip lashes. But the reason we're gathered here today is for this gorgeous wig right here. This is their kinky curly V-part wig in 20 inches, and I believe the density is around 150. This unit has the standard clips that secure around your parting and also the combs on the side and at the nape. Straight out of the packaging, y'all. This hair was so pretty, and oh, the curls were everything, and the hair was already soft, but I could tell I was going to have to dye it because my hair is significantly darker than this natural color that most hair comes in. So before we get into installing, I am going to show you guys the watercolor method that I did in order to get this wig to match my hair perfectly. So just keep on watching.
The gallery open till 10 for you and your friends. You know how I spend in HOUSTON. I get too crazy, had a little bad enough. We stay good friends, we get too wavy. All I know is that when this cup ends, the next one begins. My babe, you know me, and you knew me back then, and you know how it goes when I see you again. You know I'm making my way to your ends, and you know I need you to be there for me. You a little post-so baby, you a little 48 baby. Got a little candy in her pocket, she gon' take off like a. You already know. Dirtied up a cup, I'm on the north side. Text you, but I know you probably caught side. Know I gotta come and check the whole man, baby. Hold tight. I just touched the city with the cheap block stainers, and we got adopted by some fit for strangers. You know what it means when I twist these fingers. Me and you being on a first name basis. Why you think I hate it when you talk that Drake shit? Same reason that you never left me hanging. Same reason that I tried to make you famous. Same reason that I tried to show you just who I was. Outside of the club, outside the things that a man like me does, outside of the things that would cause you to judge, outside of the club, show you just who I was. Outside of the club, outside the things that a man like me does, outside of the things that would cause you to judge, outside of the club.
Oh, yo, shit, let's go have some fun. Enjoy the show. We in Houston celebrating. We're going to Houston, Atlanta, Vegas. Y'all know the Vegas? Y'all we in Houston. We're definitely going down. Goddamn, appreciate it.
Twisting top up at the pop up, tear the block up with my single. Yeah, yo, chick, she wanna dip, she see the drip, she wanna mingle. Take them trips and make them flips. I stack my chips up like a Pringle. I be preaching all my ism, but it jam just like a jingle. Start choosing, 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 start choosing. Do it bigger than my foes, all them indeed. I just bought a couple O's just to kill my lows. I been dipping, I been sliding, I been cutting yes. Got my neighbors staring at me, they think something ain't no catch, young, getting money now. All that used to bother me be funny now. I'm about to cop another pendant with my it's cool, I guess I can be the bad guy. Cause they eatin' top ramen and not pad thai. I gives no f***s, I need my bucks, I thought I told them that. They ain't helping, but they acting like I owe them that. Twist and top up at the pop-up, tear the block up with my single. Yeah, yo chick, she wanna dip, she see the drip, she wanna mingle. Take them trips and make them flips, I stack my chips up like a Pringle. I be preaching all my ism, but it jam just like a jingle. Start choosing, 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 start choosing. Blowing purple packets in my blue suede loafers, turn both phones off when you.
Okay, y'all, I'm back, and now that I have the wig securely placed on my head, now it is time for me to blend my leave out. As you can see, my leave out is very straight, and I'm not planning on wetting my hair in order to blend it. So I know you're thinking, what am I going to use? I was influenced by someone on IG to purchase this tiny curling wand from Amazon, and I'm so glad I did. It's a 3/8 inch curling wand, so it's going to give me the perfect like teeny tiny curl that will match all these other teeny tiny curl patterns of this wig. Now, it's not a perfect match. I don't think there is any way of getting a perfect kinky curly curl from a heat tool. Actually, if someone wants to invent one, that would be great. But until that happens, this is the best I could come up with in order to try to match at least some of the curls that are in this wig. At the end of it, it all blended well together seamlessly, so I think I pulled it off.
When I feel what I feel, sometimes it's hard to tell you so. You may not be in the mood to learn what you think you know.
Also, a quick tip so you guys don't waste your time like I did on like the first half of my head. Just go ahead and, as you see what I'm doing here now, take a piece of your hair and then take a piece of the hair from the wig and then twirl it all together on your wand. The same method people do when they do like twist outs with their wigs. It just ensures everything is like meshed together and there's no separation or division between your hair and the wig hair. Here are my final results. I am in love with this hair. Like I said, even though the curls that I made with the wand aren't an exact match to the kinky curly hair of this wig, if anybody can clock me and tell me that there's a difference, they're entirely too close, and that's another issue at hand. But I hope you guys love this as much as I do. If you have any questions, comments, or concerns, of course, leave them in the comment section, and I cannot wait to chat with you guys and let me know what you want to see next from me. Until next time, bye.